Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. I'm just leaving Tesla Service Center, new one, brand new one, just built outside, not too far from where I live. And I highly recommend that you do this if you have a new Tesla. Let's say the last 5, 6, 7 months. The facing forward camera right here. Some models got, I don't know, the way they were installed, they gathered some moisture in them, and it was making FSD driving very difficult. And sometimes the car, I made some videos for you that the car wouldn't respond so well, and then I would get these messages that that take it to service. The forward facing camera right here, this whole bucket here. So I made an appointment. It was like 45 minutes, really, literally 45 minutes. There were not too many people, so it's great. By the way, it is freezing here. It's like 25 degrees. So what they did is two things, and I really recommend that you do that if you have that issue in your car. And that is to take it. It's free. They will clean the moisture in this whole pocket here, and they will adjust the cameras and all that. And also in that, I did notice myself that the glove compartment doesn't open on voice command or on the screen. There was an issue with that. A couple times I had an issue with that. So I don't know what they did. They adjusted it and they fixed it. So it's not. Here's the thing, it's not like an official recall. If it was a recall, you will know about it and you will get a letter that it's fixed and all that. It's in certain models, so it's not like universal to everything. Look, I think it's as needed. If you see a message, take a car to service, cleaning cameras in the front or something like that, I don't remember the wording, take it, it needed. I have another, which I just listed another Tesla Model Y, and there's no issue there. It's performing beautifully, no issue whatsoever. So it's this, and it is the glove box. Just did not open all the time. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Did not open all the time. So that's an issue. That's an issue, and it's solved. I told you 45 minutes, we were all done. And then as a bonus, because it's so cold in here, so the tire pressure was low. They check the tire pressure, and they put the air in the tires and all that. So that's great. Tesla is awesome. Things like this happen, but I am telling you, the new Teslas, I'd say the last 6 months, 7 months, something like that. This car, I got it in April of 25. So 6 months, 7 months, whatever. Take it to the service. It's free of charge. No big deal, no problem. Okay guys, that's the update. Thank you for watching.